David. This is the last straw.
I'm proud of you, say I'm proud of you, Ryan.
You did, didn't you?
Get out a little bit before you get on there. There you go. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute.
Bob.
Hang on a minute.
Are you filming me?
Get it on film. He kept fishing and he kept going further and further out.
Anna, what are you doing to the man?
I need to get him on the yellow boat. Where's he at?
Man, I need to get on there and you get...
Miss Patsy, where's the brownies?
Okay.
Where's the brownies?
I got it.
He needs something to pull him up.
That boat is steep.
My grandmother
He's going to have to drive.
Look at him. Where's that other one at? Crank that big boat up. If we turn it over, y'all gonna get us. How are you gonna get them?
Bob, you probably
I hope that thing don't just crank up.
crank it, crank it, crank it. Crank it up!
Well, that was.
Anna, get ready to crank it as soon as it gets on. Wait, get the key in there. As soon as it gets on, you got to crank it and go. You can't stop.
Well, JB's right.
You start coming towards shore, Bob. Jump off. Look off, Bob. Yeah. Hold on, Bob. I want to get on.
You might there. All
right.
He'll be fine, Luke.
Yeah, I see a new purchase in your
Yeah.
We need to swap that pontoon boat in now.